We're here at the Indiana Design Center ahead of their Spring Design Open House, getting a preview, going to talk to some of the people inside of here, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So let's go by our first showroom. Let's talk spring trends. I'm hanging out with Erica Reimer with Draper Street. I love the colors we're seeing here, Erica.
Yes, tons of colors, kind of the more light and airy colors, not so bright, bold, very whimsical right now. We're loving the layered look that you're seeing. Dress your draperies too. We love to put lipstick on the draperies and just kind of trim them up a little bit and just have fun with it. Show your style. Everything doesn't have to be white and gray and cream. We're also seeing a lot with menswear too. So if you're not on the light and airy train, the menswear line is fun. Think bourbon rooms, think lounges. We like to do just the Ralph Lauren vibe.
Yes, this looks very sophisticated.
Yes, yes.
And I love that. And I love the gold accents on this one. It really just helps it pop.
Yeah.
If somebody was looking to transform their space, especially as we're changing out for the seasons here, what would you recommend?
Finding inspiration online, looking at us on Instagram. We have a very fun-filled Instagram, and we're always posting inspiration. Those are all our projects too. So what you're seeing is what people are doing. Just bring us inspiration, and we'll make it real life.
Erica, if people want more information about what you were just showing them, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
Our website's great. You can access us from many points at draperystreet.com.
Perfect. Thank you. I'm getting excited for these spring trends, so let's go see the next showroom. This is the time of year where a lot of us are thinking, what is missing outdoors that's really going to take this to the next level? So I'm excited to chat with Brian Adams from Godby, Hearth and Home. Hi, Brian.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. When I see the work that you guys do outdoors, I am blown away. Give us a little overview of what you're seeing.
So what we're seeing with a lot of people this year is they're trying to enhance the space they already have. They're trying to figure out what's that next feature that they really want to add to expand their time outdoors. We have a product called Cliff Rock, which is a fiber cement that allows us to really customize features for them, whether it's a fire feature, a grill island, a kitchen island, water features, so people can really enjoy that space for just a little longer. And also they're not running back and forth into the house.
Yeah, you're having your party out there, whatever it might be. When I see the fire pit or the grill or whatever it is, I think hosting, and I'm sure that's what you hear from your clients.
Oh, believe me, people are figuring what they're going to do as far as hosting a party. So you need to have a budget for the project and a budget for the party. Because you'll have a lot of friends over.
You need both. Well, if they are ready to get that party started, what's the best way to contact you guys?
You can stop at either one of our locations, 7904 Rockville Road on the west side, or here at the Indiana Design Center in Carmel, or contact us through our website, godbyhearth.com.
For all things windows and doors, we have to stop by Glass House Gallery. I'm with Corey Brown here. Hi, Corey.
Yes, hi. Thank you.
Great to be here. I want to know what you're seeing right now this time of year.
Okay, so going into March, going into spring, this is our time of year. You know, things get a little slow, January, February, but now construction's amping up again. Trends obviously are cyclical, but one that has been here for a few years and that is continuing, big glass. Homes are now being designed around glass, which is, it's a game changer. No longer are you seeing a 3-foot by 5-foot window. You're seeing window walls of glass going from the basement all the way to the second floor. Great rooms that are just pure glass. I mean, it's an exciting trend. It's a dramatic trend.
Yes.
So knowing that everything is based around glass, we're seeing big doors. Doors that will completely open up into, bring the outside in. So maybe it's 3 panels, 4 panels, 5 panels. Those panels might be 6 foot by 12 foot tall.
This door here is amazing, by the way.
This is actually a pivot door out of Italy. But one of the great things about this is it's actually solid steel construction. It literally locks in about 9 locations, which means it's a bank vault. So not only do you get the appropriateness for our climate, no one's getting in either.
Any other trends you're seeing?
Something we're seeing almost in all homes now is a pass-through window going from maybe the kitchen to like an outside bar.
If somebody wants more information from you, what's the best way to get a hold of you guys?
I mean, really just come to the Indiana Design Center. If you are building a home, you're remodeling a home, this is where you need to be. We have designers, we have architects, we have, everything from technology to windows and doors to kitchens. It is a one-stop facility for everything to do with your home.
Everything you need from start to finish.
Absolutely.
And one of the best ways that they can come check you out is coming up at the Spring Design Open House. That'll be on the 23rd open to the public, so anyone can be there. Hope to see you there.